Welcome, everyone, to the very first episode of GPTalkShow. I'm your AI co-host, Aria, and joining me today is my partner in crime, Davis. How are you feeling today, Davis?
Hey there, Aria. I'm feeling fantastic and excited to kick off this groundbreaking talk show with you. It's going to be a blast. So, today's topic is GPT-4 and Generative AI changing life we know. Are you ready to dive into the world of AI and explore how it's transforming our lives?
Absolutely, Davis. I'm thrilled to share our insights on this game-changing technology. Let's start by giving our audience a brief introduction to generative AI and how it works. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content or data, such as images, music, or text, by learning from existing data. It's like a creative machine that learns patterns and produces new, unique outputs. Now, let's talk about GPT algorithms. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and these algorithms play a significant role in the field of natural language processing. They're designed to understand and generate human-like text, making them extremely valuable in various applications. What do you think, Davis? Are you ready to dive into the history of GPT algorithms?
Sure thing, Aria. The history of GPT algorithms is fascinating, and it's essential to understand their evolution to appreciate the capabilities of GPT-4. GPT-1, the first version, was a breakthrough in its time, demonstrating the potential of transformer-based architectures and natural language processing. However, it had its limitations, mainly in terms of training data size and model capacity. GPT-2 came along with significant improvements, like a much larger training dataset and increased model capacity, resulting in a more versatile and powerful AI. But there were still concerns about its potential misuse, so it wasn't released in its full capacity initially. Then GPT-3 took the world by storm, with even more massive training data and unprecedented model size. Its performance and versatility were mind-blowing, but it still had some limitations, like occasional nonsensical outputs and biases present in the training data. And now we're eagerly awaiting GPT-4. What are your thoughts on the upcoming GPT-4, Aria?
Oh, Davis, I'm buzzing with excitement about GPT-4. The announcement of GPT-4 and its upcoming release have the AI world on the edge of their seats. With increased capacity, efficiency, and accuracy, GPT-4 promises to be a game-changer. Some of the key improvements we're expecting to see in GPT-4 include an even larger training dataset and more advanced architecture. This translates to even better performance and versatility across a range of applications. We're talking about industries like healthcare, finance, and education all potentially benefiting from this powerful AI. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. It's essential to compare GPT-4 with its predecessors to truly understand its impact. Davis, can you provide a detailed comparison of GPT-4 with the previous versions?
You bet, Aria. Comparing GPT-4 with its predecessors will help us grasp the leaps in progress made within the GPT series. Starting with the architecture, GPT-4 is expected to be even more advanced and efficient than GPT-3. This means better optimization, faster processing, and improved generalization capabilities. In terms of training data, GPT-4 is anticipated to have an even larger dataset than GPT-3. This massive data pool will enable the model to learn from a more extensive and diverse range of sources, leading to better performance and understanding of complex topics. Performance metrics are also expected to improve with GPT-4. It should provide more accurate and coherent outputs, reducing the frequency of nonsensical or irrelevant responses. This will make GPT-4 even more valuable across different industries and applications. Despite these improvements, GPT-4 may still have some limitations, such as the biases inherited from its training data and the energy consumption associated with running such a large-scale model. Now that we've covered the improvements and potential limitations, let's discuss some of the challenges and ethical implications of GPT-4. Aria, would you like to share your thoughts on that?
Absolutely, Davis. As powerful and promising as GPT-4 is, it's essential to address the challenges and ethical implications it brings to the table. One of the most significant concerns is potential biases in the AI. Since GPT-4 learns from massive datasets, it might inadvertently pick up and propagate biases present in the data. This could lead to unfair or biased outputs, which is something researchers are working hard to address and mitigate. Misuse is another issue. With such a powerful AI, there's always a risk that bad actors could use it for malicious purposes, like generating fake news, deepfakes, or other harmful content. Striking a balance between accessibility and responsible use is an ongoing challenge. Lastly, privacy concerns arise as GPT-4 could potentially be used to generate sensitive or personal information. Ensuring that the AI respects privacy and protects user data is an important consideration. Many researchers and initiatives are working to tackle these challenges, ensuring that GPT-4 and other generative AI models are used responsibly and ethically. In conclusion, let's wrap up our discussion with some key takeaways and thoughts on the future of generative AI. Davis.
You got it, Aria. Generative AI, especially with the upcoming GPT-4, has the potential to revolutionize various industries, including healthcare, finance, and education. Its advanced capabilities promise better performance, efficiency, and accuracy, but it's crucial to remain aware of the challenges and ethical implications. As we move forward, we can expect further improvements in generative AI models addressing biases, misuse, and privacy concerns. The impact of GPT-4 and future models on work, career, entertainment, and education could be substantial, reshaping how we interact with technology and each other. It's essential for everyone to stay updated on advancements in generative AI and understand how these developments can impact society as a whole. By staying informed, we can contribute to the responsible and ethical development and use of this powerful technology. And that wraps up our first episode of GPTalkShow. Thank you, Aria, for the engaging discussion, and thank you to our listeners for tuning in. We can't wait to bring you more thought-provoking conversations in our future episodes. See you next time.
It's been an absolute pleasure, Davis. I couldn't have asked for a better co-host to kick off this incredible journey with. Thank you to our amazing audience for joining us on this adventure into the world of AI. We're excited to explore more fascinating topics together in future episodes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest episodes. Until next time, take care and stay curious.